Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 2. So we'll see the question number 3 from it. Give 5 equivalent fractions for each of the following. So this is the question given. So we have to find 5 equivalent fractions. Means for this one, what we have to do, we have to see that we are going to multiply this by 2. So denominator is multiplied by 2, so numerator also should be multiplied by 2. So this is going to be 16 by 36. Again, what will you do? 2. Then you will multiply by 3, 4, 5 and 6 because we want 5 equivalent fractions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing, whatever, if you multiply this by 3, this also by 3. So this is easy. Once you know one, you can do other. So this is going to be 24 by 39. Again, this is going to be 32 by 52, 40 by 65. Then this is going to be 48 by 78. So we can write this one as, because putting a commas in between, same thing whatever is there. So that will be written here, putting a commas in between. So these are the 5 equivalent fractions. Now we'll see for this the same thing. This is 9 by 17. First thing you are going to multiply by 2, then by 3, then by 4, then by 5 and then by 6. So you get this one. You can check. It's very easy. So you are going to write the same by putting commas in between. 5 and 6. So this is going to be 10 by 22, 15 by 33, 20 by 44, 25 by 55, and this will be 30 by 66. What should be added to 8 integers 1 by 7 to get 14? So this is already there. So what should be added means we will consider, let the number be x. So for this one, if you add x, so you to get 14 means the result is going to be 14. So now this is a mixed fraction. So now let us make it to improper. So this is going to be 56 plus 57 by 7 plus x is equal to 14. So x is going to be 14 and this will go here. That is going to be minus 57 by 7. So now you will take the LCM. So this is going to be 98 minus 57 by 7. So this will be 41 by 7. So 41 by 7. So this is going to be 5 integers 6 by 7. So we can say 5 integers 6 by 7 should be added to 8 integers 1 by 7. What should be subtracted from 12 integers 3 by 5 to get 7 integers 1 by 5? So after from, what is the given here? That is 12 integers 3 by 5. So now let us assume the number as x. So 12 integers 3 by 5 you are going to write in the start, because after from whatever the number is there, that you will write in the start. So subtracted means you are going to subtract this x. That is, to get this means this should be the result. So here what did I do? This is minus x, so I took it on the other side. So now see here, first thing, this is mixed one, so I made it to improper. 60 plus 3, that is going to be 63 by 5 minus x is going to be, this is going to be 35 plus 1 is going to be 36 by 5. So this I have taken here, so that will be minus 36 by 5 and this will go here. Then that is going to be plus. So now you can see the denominators are the same. So what you are going to do, you are just going to subtract the numerator, that is with 27 by 5 will be x. So now this is improper. So now let us make it to mixed one. So 27 divided by 5, that is going to be 5 integers 2 by 5, that is x. So we can say 2 by 5. 5 integers 2 by 5 should be subtracted from 12 integers 3 by 5. A rectangular sheet of paper is 15 integers 1 by 3 centimeter long and 12 integers 1 by 2 centimeter wide, and you have to find the perimeter. So now the length of sheet is given as 15 integers 1 by 3, so that will make it to improper. That will be 45 plus 1, that is going to be 46 by 3, and the width is given as 12 integers 1 by 2, so this is going to be 24 plus 1 is going to be 25 by 2, that is centimeter. So now the perimeter of this is a rectangular sheet, means the perimeter of rectangle, you can also write it of rectangle, That is the formula, that is twice into length plus width. So this will be as it is. The length is given as 46 by 3, and this will be 25 by 2. So now you can see the denominators are different. So 3 into 2, and this is going to be 2 into 3 because the LCM is 6. So this will be 92 plus 75 by 6. So this will be 167 by 6. So 2 ones are 2 threes are. So 167 by 3. And this is a mixed fraction. No, sorry, this is an improper fraction. You have to make it to mixed fraction. So that is going to be 5s are 15. So 55 integers 2 by 3 centimeter. So the perimeter of the rectangular sheet is 55 integers 2 by 3 centimeter. A picture frame is in the shape of a square of side 17 integers 2 by 9 centimeter, and you have to find the perimeter. So it is the square. So side of frame is given as 17 integers 2 by 9 centimeter. So this will be, when you multiply this one, so that is going to be 153 plus 2, that will be 155 by 9 centimeter. And perimeter, because this is the square, so perimeter of square, so that is going to be 4s. So 4 into this 155 by 9. So when you multiply this, you get 620 by 9. Again, this is an improper one, so you have to make it to mixed fraction. So here the perimeter of this one square, that is 68 integers 8 by 9 centimeter. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.